Hello student, welcome to all of you. In this video we will see what was Margie's reaction when she heard the about the school which was describing by the Tommy. But my mother says a teacher has to be existed to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. Margie says that my mother always telling me that the teaching level of teacher is have to fit according to the understanding level of each boy and girl because the knowledge level of every children is not the same. That's why they all have to teach separately. Just the same they did not do it then that way then. And now at this Tommy said that that way was not happening at the school which was presented centuries ago. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Now, he was also mentioned to the Margie that if you don't like the book, because he was irritated by the speaking of the Margies, that's why Tommy said, if you don't like book, you can sit quiet. I didn't say I did not like it, Margie said quickly. At this, Margie said, quickly, no, I did not say it like that. I like it very much. मुझे ये बुक बहुत पसंद है. She wanted to read about those funny schools. She wanted to know. She was very curious to know about the school that was existed years and years ago, and that's why she wanted to read that funny book. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie's school. Now, both the children have not finished the book half. Then Margie's mother called Margie's that your school is ready. अभी इन बच्चों ने अपनी इस बुक को आधी भी ख़त्म नहीं की होती तभी मार्गी की माँ उसको आवाज़ देती हैं, मार्गी योर स्कूल. Margie looked up, not at Mama. Margie was not at all interested to join her school. That's why she looked up and said her mother, Mom, not right now. Now, said Mrs. Jones. But Margie's mother was insisted her and said, no, you have to join. And it's probably time for Tommy. And it was the also the time for Tommy to join her school too. और Tommy के स्कूल का भी समय हो गया था. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Now Margie, whom have to join her school, that's why she requested to Tommy that may I read this book after finishing my school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. Now Tommy said in a very uninterested way, yes, if you want. He walked away whistling the rusty old book tucked beneath his arms. Now Tommy, who was in a very light and very delighted uh, behavior and was about to go in his house having the book in her arms. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and here Margie was attending her school, and her school was next to her bedroom. उसका जो स्कूल था उसके बेडरूम के जस्ट बगल में ही था. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. And as Margie entered the school room, जैसे Margie स्कूल में एंटर करती है, her teacher was ready, which was a mechanical teacher. It was always on at the same time every day except Sunday and Saturday. And the mechanical teacher was always on to teach Margie's except Saturday and Sunday. As you can see in this diagram, Margie sitting in a room where all the atmosphere is totally mechanical. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours, because it was told by Margie's mother that if she will learn regular, she can grow very well. The screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. And as she entered this class, as she joined her class, The school teacher was giving the instructions that today's topic is arithmetic lessons, and it was the addition of proper fraction. Please insert study homework in the proper slot, and it was also given the instruction to upload the homework that was given the previous day. Margie did so with a sign. Margie was did whatever instructed by her teacher. She was thinking about the old schools that had been her grandfather was a little boy, but she was not taking interest in study because in her mind she was thinking about the school that were exist years and year ago, and it was belonged to the grandfather of her grandfathers when her grandfather was little boy and used to go to school in a building where all the kids were come from separate houses and they were sitting together in the class. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the school room, going home together at the end of the day. Now, in her mind, Margie was thinking about the school which was joined by her grandfather of grandfathers, where children from each and every houses came and they were playing together, sitting together, doing various type of activities in the schools. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it, and all the activities were performed together at the age group of all the children. That's why they could help each other, they could exchange their thoughts, and they were happy to join the class. And the teachers were people, and the teacher was not any robot or machine, it was a human, it was people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, and here in the virtual classroom the mechanical teacher was showing that when we add fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Margie was not at all taking interest in the studying what was visible on the screen of the mechanical teacher. She was busy in thinking about the school of the centuries ago where kids were making fun, having fun, and all that Margie was thinking. So student, this is the chapter, the fun they had, and through this chapter we get this message that school is not just a place where we get only studies, means it is a place where our personalities also develop. We not just join school to study, but also other activities like playing, helping each other, making friends, and all the funs we have in the school. So you can very well understand the chapter the fun they had, because the situation that is going around in these day, and your studying is going through the mobiles, yeah, other gadgets. Now you can understand what will be atmosphere of the future generations, the upcoming generation, where there were no schools or colleges, everything will be depend on the machine, and what was the life of that time. So after completing this, you all have to do this question answer in your notebook. As you can see, all the question answer you have to do in your notebook. It is your homework and also it's your work. So till then, revise and write this question answer and learn this chapter.